Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Wix It Fix It Garage. Today I have this old creeper. It's in pretty bad shape. You know, that one there is especially. Let me see. I don't know what happened to that end. But anyway, I was going to see if I couldn't bring it back to life. I mean, as you can see, it's got a lot of rust, but the bearings all seem to be good and stuff. Well, when I found it, I oiled them up before I put it up to keep it from rusting anymore. Yeah, I put some stuff on there to loosen those bolts up. Yeah, if y'all want something to loosen bolts, this stuff here is really good. It's what I use a lot. You can get it at Home Depot. Of course, these ain't gonna come out with a Phillips. They've been in there so long. Yeah, I figured that was going to happen. It broke. Yeah, I'm trying to get these out. So I broke that one. It didn't want to come out. That one did. Of course, you can see how rusty it is. I'm gonna have to find some new bolts. Yeah, but this stuff here, it works really well. Anyway. This is, yeah, oh no, it ain't too bad. Alright, yeah, I got that off. I'm gonna do some sanding here. I think I'm gonna move this outside. I don't want this shit all over my garage. I got way too much stuff in here for this shit to be blowing all over it, but yeah, I'm gonna take it outside and finish this, but y'all get the gist of it. I'm just gonna sand it down real good. I tried to get these out, and they just started stripping, so I don't necessarily need them out anyway. These casters, I wanted to take them off, but I got those steel brushes you can put on, and I'll get close to them and clean them off. I don't have to do because I'm gonna end up breaking them if I try to get them out. Anyway, we'll continue outside. And I'll move this outside. Make such a big mess. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this off here. we go. I'm gonna cut this one off to match it. You can see that rust. Yeah, but it needs a lot of sanding. Well, I've got most of it sanded. I'm gonna get one of my little steel brushes on my drill and clean off these casters. A little bit I couldn't get to with a sander, but it's pretty good. I had a bad spot somewhere. I'm gonna have to take a welder and fill in right here. You can see it, but yeah, I'm gonna take a welder and fill it in and grind it back down, make it strong. But anyway, that's about it for the sanding. I gotta go in there and find some brushes, but we'll continue filming here in a minute. Yeah, I'm back in here. I'll come in here I got these little spots like this I couldn't get with a sander, so I got my Dremel out. Well, I fixed that piece where it was rusted out. It ain't the best thing in the world, but it'll be there and hold. Yeah, I gotta do something about this grime around these wheels. I guess I'm gonna have to go get some steel brushes. I don't know what I did with the one that goes on my drill. Yeah. I need to wipe it off with paint thinner, but I need to clean those wheels too first. Well, let me find something to do that with. I'm gonna clean this thing off with some paint thinner. I've got dust off of it. Most of it. Just paint the stick. I'm putting the first coat of paint on it. Yeah, I reckon I ought to let it dry a little bit and put another coat. That bottom, well, that line's gonna hang me. Yeah, I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna have to flip it over and get that bottom too. I think I got everything for the first coat though. I'll let it dry. Well, I'm back in here, and you'll see that over there. Yeah, this right here, I got it hanging there drying. It's got several coats on it. I figured I'd clean this up while I was waiting. This thing is nasty too. I don't even know where this thing came from. Anyway, you know what needed. I think it's going to be alright. Good enough to work on the car with. Just put that on there. This stuff is trying to... Well, there it is. That thing didn't turn out too bad where I had to weld that. Not perfect, but it'll work. Anyway, yeah, it'll serve its purpose anyway. I wanted to reupholster this, but I didn't have the material. But it was after I cleaned it up, it didn't look that bad. I mean, well, you're working on cars, so it ain't gotta be perfect. As long as it works. Yeah, but I think it turned out good. Anyway, I hope y'all like it. Thanks for watching.